Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to share with you just a quick video here on my Weidenhoff generator test stand. I picked this up about a year ago, so it's really kind of in garage art. This thing dates probably to the late 1920s, 1930s period. It's in kind of in rough shape. It had many years of use, and it's got a very complex panel. It's made for testing generators of all sorts, and it has many different controls. You can change the voltage, and it has, of course, a huge ammeter, a voltmeter, and it has a tachometer that you would hook up to the drive end of the generator you're putting here in the stand. The wiring is really shot in this thing. It's pretty complex, but it's a neat piece of garage art, and I think eventually I'm going to rewire it very simply. Just wire up the ammeter and the voltmeter. I have another generator test stand I use for generators that I'm working on and rebuilding. So this is kind of just maybe a retirement project. But it's a neat old piece of equipment that served many years in a garage. But the one thing good on it is that the motor works really well, and it is a 3 horsepower, a 110 220 motor, and it's variable speed and variable rotation, either clockwise or counterclockwise. So the motor works well, so I just need to get it wired up, get the ammeter voltmeter wired up to use it. But I'll give you a little demonstration of the motor here. Right now, this is in the neutral position, so it's not turning. And I'll bring the lever, and it starts building speed, and it's rotating clockwise now as I'm looking at the pulley. And you vary the speed by the position of this control arm. And also, you've got access here. You can look down inside and see the generator, the motor's commutator running here. It works very well. It's very smooth running. I can bring it back to the neutral position, and it'll come to a stop. You can see the pulley back here. And then I'm going to reverse direction, bring it down this way, and bring it in the other direction. So very flexible, very useful tool. And of course, with the tachometer, which would be hooked up here, there's a drive unit right here that would go onto the end of the generator, and that drives the tachometer. So I may be able to get that hooked up yet. We'll see. But bring it back to its neutral position, and now it'll come to a stop. All right, let me go ahead and shut it off here. So, and this came with the original cabinet too. It's got storage underneath it. It's apparently this thing sat out in the weather a bit too, because the wood base is somewhat delaminating. It's pretty rough, but the cabinet's really nice. Still got the nice Weidenhoff decals on it. So yeah, it's a neat piece of garage art, and I think I can get it working. I can bypass all this worn out shot wiring that I don't need, because some of the buttons are broken, the lights are missing on it. So but I can wire up the ammeter and voltmeter directly, and I should be able to be using this for doing old generators. So it'll be fun. So hey, I just wanted to share that with you. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll talk to you later. Bye.